Oklahoma in the summertimes where my country has belong. Love is patient, love is kind, should not make you lose your mind. There's got to be more to this than being pissed off all the time. Don't call me in the morning, 'cause I'll already be gone. Oklahoma in the summertimes where my country has belong. Love is patient, love is kind, should not make you lose your mind. There's got to be more to this than being pissed off all the time. Well, hi there pluckers, Arthur Sawfingers again with you with hopefully another interesting lesson for all you Bryan fans out there. Standard tuning, no capos, okay. So this is my take on this song for a single acoustic. There's a couple of options if you've got somebody playing with you, okay. So it starts off, I think the second guitar, the lead guitar bits, I think the guitar sounds like it's in open G tuning, but I'm just going to show you basically I think what he's playing note wise, and it starts off like this. Right. So what we're doing now, playing a partial G chord, playing basically just the bottom E string on the 3rd fret, and I'm going 6, 4, 3, 2, and then adding a finger to play the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Okay, so bottom E string, 3rd fret, open 4th, open 3rd, open 2nd, 3rd fret on the 2nd string. And then the second bit, I'm playing it as harmonics, okay? Okay, so 7th fret, you put your finger just over, directly over the 7th fret on the 3rd string. Very light pressure. Hit the note with your pick, take your finger off. Okay? So you do that one, and then you do the same sort of thing on the 12th fret, right over the 12th fret on the 2nd string. So you go. And then the 3rd string, 12th fret, and the 3rd string, sorry, the 4th string on the 12th fret. So here. So those three are 12th fret, 2nd string, harmonic, 3rd string, harmonic, and 4th string, harmonic. And start off with the 7th on the 3rd string. Then you play the bottom E string, 3rd fret, and then an E minor, just a single strum, okay? Bit of a pause and then the song kicks off, okay? So that's why I make it. I mean, you could just leave it out, but it's on the record, so. Right, so just very slowly. Okay, and then the main riff kicks in. Four chords basically: E minor, C, G, and I'm playing it slightly differently. I'm playing it sort of G like this, but with my 3rd finger on the 3rd, my little pinky, sorry, on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and I'm just going 6 down to 2. Okay, so E minor, C, this G with the 3rd pinky on the top 2nd string, 3rd fret. I mean, you could do it like that if you want. That's fine as well. Standard G, but with that 3rd finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And then lastly, a D with F sharp in the bass. If you're playing it like a G like that, then you need to do that. So keeping the third finger on the third fret of the second string. The second finger goes down to the second fret on the third string, and the first finger goes up to the second on the bottom E string. 6 down to 2. Okay, so if you're doing it like that, it's I tend to use my G's like this, so I'm fingering that G like that. So pinky is playing the third fret, obviously. And then same idea, when I play the D with F sharp in the bass, I leave the pinky on the third fret, second string. So from that shape, I go to this shape. First finger takes on the second on the bottom E, and the second finger goes to the second on the third string. So different fingerings, same idea but different fingerings. So I'm playing it like that, and then like that. Okay, and that's all the way through the verse like that. So E minor, C, G, whichever version you're doing, and then this D with F sharp in the bass. Now, the rhythm. The easiest way I can show you to do it is just basically down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, constantly. Okay, so it's okay, round and round that sequence. So I'll try and slow it down for you. You can see what my strumming hand is doing. It's just basically doing down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, all the way through. Okay, so here we go. Slow it down for you. Okay, and that's all the way through the verse like that, all the way through. So. So when you get to the very end, you just keep strumming the D for about 6 beats or so. So when I speak, you say it's too much. When I speak, you say I lost my mind. Stop. Okay, so it's okay. Got that. Then we're going into the chorus, right? Chorus very simple. It's basically just single strums, and it's so don't call me in the morning. Call me. So get it right. Call me in the morning, 'cause I'm already been gone. And that's basically C, G, D, E minor, all the way through. Okay. So don't call me in the morning, 'cause I'm already been gone. I've got her in the summertime, where my country airs belong. Love is patient, love is kind. She make me lose my mind. There's got to be more to this than being pissed off. So when you get to pissed off, you just do a single strum on to keep it, just hang it out a bit. Pissed off, and then you're back into the riff again. Okay, it just goes on for some more verses. I just did an instrumental bit on that just to show you the chords and the rhythm, and then I just played. Sorry about that. I just played a final chorus, and it gets exactly the same, just single chords. But when you get to the end, when you go to that last line where it goes, and there's got to this, and we pissed off, or finish on E minor. And the only other thing I can tell you is if you've got somebody with you, on the after you've done that, the intro bit where it goes, and then you start that strumming. When it gets to the C, there's a second guitar comes in and goes, right, something like that. Yeah. When it gets to the C, it plays that. So yeah, and all that is harmonics on the second string, 12th fret, third string, back to the 12th string, and then 7th fret on the third string. Okay. But that's just an option if you've got somebody else playing with you. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls. A nice, hopefully relatively easy, straightforward song. Okay, thanks very much for watching, listening, and I'll see you in the next video.